What is up, y'all? Today we're going to be making some quick and easy compost, so follow along if that's what you're looking to do. So I'm going to start by turning my existing compost. You can see I have what just looks to be goop, but we have some old eggshells, I have some old paper, cardboard, banana peels, some citrus, coffee grounds, grass clippings, sticks, leaves, wood chips, mulch, all that sort of thing. And essentially, all we're doing here is mixing two main components, which are nitrogen and carbon. And those two things come from the stuff you put in it. So things that are rich in nitrogen are normally called greens. So that's things like fruit and vegetable scraps, grass clippings, coffee grounds and paper filters, paper tea bags without the staples, and crushed eggshells. Then on the flip side, we have carbon-rich materials, which are normally called your browns, which are dry leaves, plant stalks and twigs, shredded paper, and it's very important that the paper is not glossy and that it is uncolored. You can do shredded cardboard as long as there's no wax coating, tape, or glue on it, and then you can also put in wood chips, assuming that they're not treated or dyed. Now, the main things you want to avoid for your compost pile are any kind of meats or bones, cheese and dairy products, fat, oils and grease, cooked foods. You don't want to put any plants or grasses that have been treated with herbicides, no aggressive weeds or weeds with seed. Otherwise, when you use this compost later on, those weeds will sprout out of your compost. Don't put anything that's diseased or pest infested, and that's specifically talking about plants. No treated or painted wood. You want everything to be as organic as possible. Do not put pet waste or cat litter. No dryer lint, no glossy paper, and no produce stickers. So if you have an apple with a sticker on it, the sticker cannot go in. So I am going to go ahead and put a layer of brown stuff on here. It's just some paper scraps, some old egg cartons, not styrofoam. And then let's see what else we got in here. This is just the leftover scraps I have from my kitchen. So we got some bananas, some lemons, some limes, some apples, and it looks like the butt end of a piece of bread. I'm just gonna mix that up. Now, the only other things to remember are you want to keep your compost moist. Every now and then, go ahead and check it. And if it seems extra dry, just go ahead and pour some water in there. If you're wondering how to make a compost bin like the one I have, I'll link the video somewhere either in the description or somewhere on the screen. But other than that, you just want to make sure that your compost is properly aerated. If it doesn't get enough air or if it's way too waterlogged and you kind of choke out the air, you won't get the right kind of bacteria in your compost that'll help break down all of these things that you're putting in it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Otherwise, happy composting.